STC.
We all have someone we love, like the favorite lyric in our favorite song. You can't imagine life without them. So tell them today, I love you. Get screened. It could help save their life. Visit cancer.org/getscreened to learn more.
Let's check in with Roger Brand for top of the hour check on traffic from the Overhead Door Company of St. Louis.
That did not just happen.
Well, Debbie, they're close to clearing the crash. The MoDOT, the guy is picking up his cones, but the left lane's still blocked for the next moment or two, northbound 270 north of 55. So there's still a jam back onto 55. 55, the right lanes are still bogged down. That's why they go up to 270 exit. And then it's still... Before you get to Rivas, most of the way up the river to Canada. North 270, by the way, north of the crash scene, past 55, you still got heavy traffic. Backs up briefly at 44. It's basically slow all the way to Ladue. South 270, Dorset to Ladue, we have a crash. Eastbound 70 before 270, traffic's jammed back near the Blanchette Bridge because of that one. Next update at 8:10 from the Overhead Door Company of St. Louis Traffic Center.
We have a partly cloudy sky and 60 degrees downtown at the Arch. I'm Tom Ackerman, and these are the stories making news. Men die by suicide at 4 times the rate of women. We'll tell you about a Metro East organization trying to intervene.
I'm Debbie Monterey. COVID vaccines no longer recommended for children and pregnant.